My robot's ability to grasp laundry on the floor is key to it actually performing useful work for me, and getting it to work in a large variety of settings requires iteration. I use a method of stabilizing the image before training for a far more reliable grasping routine, and in this video I'll explain how I did it and show some examples of it around the house. This robot has cameras in the corner of the room that give it an overhead view and help it calibrate itself and locate targets like dirty laundry. But for grasping, we use a palm camera to get a clear picture of the thing we're about to pick up. This camera is right in the base of the gripper between the fingers, offset by a few centimeters. The task for picking up laundry is really simple. Just get the object between the fingers and close them. There's really no wrong way to pick up a sock. But the gripper is hanging vertically from a line that's free to swing and rotate. If the target is in the bottom center of the frame, what does that mean? Which way do we move the gantry platform? What we need is a stabilized image that is oriented in a consistent direction in the room's frame of reference. And we have the absolute rotation of the gripper since it has an onboard IMU. And the rotation from the IMU as well as some constants from calibration are combined into a matrix that's passed to warp perspective to produce a stabilized image. Now the grasping problem is a lot simpler. We just train a small network that outputs the position of the strongest target in the image and move in that direction. That centers the object. Right now, this smaller network just predicts lateral motion, and for vertical motion, it's just a procedure that I designed by hand. Go down slowly, if you stop seeing the target, go back up, that kind of thing. Here's a few examples of that in practice. The next Stringman version will replace this free swinging line with a rigid link to the gantry and a wrist doff. But we still need to know the current pose of the gripper in the room's frame of reference in order for this image to be useful. And swing will not totally be eliminated in that next version, so this stabilization code will still come in handy. So that's how I improved the grasping routine of Stringman. Thanks for coming back to watch these updates. I really appreciate your support.